Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick little room tour or a setup tour for the guys over on Twitch. I've got a few questions about it. Basically, what am I sitting under? And I'll show you. It's my loft bed that I made a while back. Just works well for the room. So as you can see, that's the base of it there, or the top. And I'll just zoom out in a second and show you it a bit better. And I'll put some footage up from 360 cam later so you can see it even better again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much a space saving thing, and it's actually quite comfortable too. There's a fair bit of headroom at the top, so you can sit up straight and whatnot, and fairly steady, holds the weight. I've got a nice little curtain system here as well to block out the light because this room is quite bright. So just drag that across and it blocks a good portion of the light out. It's perfect in winter too, keeps the heat in. We'll see how it goes in summer though, because the PC puts out a fair bit of heat. Yeah. And this is the monitor setup, starting from the left. It's a 27-inch Asus. I'll put the details in the description. The center one is a 34-inch Gigabyte monitor, ultra-wide curved. It's not too bad either. I did have some flickering issues with it with HDR. The last one is a cheap BenQ 1080p. Just cheap. It's just a vertical monitor and use it mostly for Discord and OBS. The case is the stereotypical Lian-Li 011 dynamic. It's pretty much overdone, but it's the best case to work in as far as I've used for space. I've got a little stat monitor screen. I should probably 3D print a cover for it, but it works alright as it is. And my microphone's just a cheap microphone from AliExpress. I think it was $40. And we'll just go down for some cable management. A little bit OCD, so it's pretty organized. It's pretty much standard though for anyone who's actually good at cable managing. Just some rails, power points, and 3M tape sticking things down. There's a few things that go in a few different directions. It's just the cables are too short to put them in any other place, so that's how they ended up. But overall, pretty organized and easy to find if you need something. And it's the Creative Soundbar, another really good soundbar, really cheap. It's only stereo, but it works pretty good. On this side, that's my headset, Corsair Void Pro Wireless. Pretty average battery life. It's supposed to get 16 hours, but I wouldn't say that. It's a LED light. Really handy. And behind the monitors is some Govee strip lighting with individually addressable RGB. So you can basically customize it as much as you like. But otherwise you've got preset colors, all the stereotypical ones. Generally I'm running blue, it's just easiest on the eyes, but white is nice for working on other things. Yeah, that's pretty much the tour. I'll whack some more B-roll footage up at the end from the case, but this is the average look of it now. This is the GTX 1070s. I've got an SLI, but it's not really useful for gaming. I use it for other things. Nzxt Kraken X62. Water cooling, all BeQuiet fans. They're amazingly quiet, but they don't put out that much air, so it's a bit of a trade-off. They're decent though, the case is pretty well cooled. I wouldn't mind upgrading everything, but as I've mentioned a few times in Twitch stream, the GPU and chip shortage has ruined any plans, so I upgraded my monitors and got stuck with the old cards. So the plan is for a RTX 3080 and hopefully a Ryzen 7 CPU, and I'll switch out the RAM for something faster as well. But it's all coming down to pricing and when the scalpers leave. So until then, I'm just going to be spending my time outdoors mostly, at least until winter comes back. And this is the other side of the room. Nothing special. I just used some leftover wood to make a TV cabinet, whack the TV on it. Should probably paint that as well. Haven't decided on a color. Yeah, I'll whack some 360 footage up and some of the B-roll stuff at the end. And yeah, thanks for watching.